Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to iFiX. Today I am going to repair my motorcycle which is not starting. While I press on the crank switch, a noise comes from the solenoid switch, but the starter motor is not rotating. So I have to find out the problem why the self-starter is not rotating. So now I will open the self-starter gear cover to see what is the problem there to rotate the motor. To be confirmed, the problem in the motor or inside the engine. I am opening the cover. After opening the cover, I will remove the gear which is synchronized with the crankshaft and self-starter motor. If the motor can rotate without crankshaft load, I will be able to confirm that the problem inside the engine. To make it easy and confirm that the self-starter is okay or not, if the self-starter remain okay, then I'll go to open the engine to sort out the problem. The gear connected between self-starter and crankshaft has come out. From the engine. So now I'll be able to check is the self-starter okay or not. Now I'll on the self-starter switch. I'll press on the crank switch. Oh, the self-starter is rotating. Oh, so now I have to open the parts from engine. So now I'm confirmed the self starter is okay. So now I have to dismantle the engine to find out the problem why the crankshaft is not rotating. So please thanks for watching my video.